Yep, so I think we're live right now. Let me check. So if anyone is on the chat, if you could post if we're live. I don't know if we're live. Is someone? Yep, I think we're live. Yep, so welcome everyone to the stream. So there you have at the comment section the community values. There's also a web for the community values. I'll just put it right now. And so there you have the community values. So so right now we're starting. So today we're gonna learn Ocaml. So for those who don't know what Ocaml is, it's a programming language which Replit just made a template for. It's really new, actually. They just made the template for it a week ago or two, and yeah, it's a really cool programming language. So yeah, definitely worth it learning. It's very simple and fun. So yeah, let's get into it. So let me just share screen. Let me share screen. And let me check Green Rebel. Okay, yeah. I think you guys are, yep. And add to stream. I don't know why we got that fancy background. Yeah, I'll just ignore that. And we're live on stream. Okay. Okay, and let's start. Just gonna get something here. Let me check. Yep, so the first thing we're gonna do is create a new Ocaml repo. Just search Ocaml and yeah, it'll just pop up. So yeah. Okay, so let's start. I'm just setting up here some things. So yeah. Nice. Yeah. I think I've got it. Nice. Okay. So let's do learning. Oh no. Well, wrong title, but yeah. Learning Ocaml. So it's actually really fun, not gonna lie. I'm just gonna change the title. Ocaml. Yeah. So any questions, drop them in the chat and I'll definitely answer them. So yeah. So let's start. So learning Ocaml, it's really simple, I'd say. So I'm gonna start with something simple with a string. Um, with printing just a string. Yeah. So okay. So we're gonna do print and string hello hello. Nice. So that's literally the printing argument. So as you can see, there's no use of brackets here. I think it gave us an error. Or no, yeah. There's also a use of brackets. That's the thing. So you can also use brackets or just as Ruby does, literally the argument and then the string, no brackets. You can also use brackets here. So this is string. Then we have print end line, which just also print this. Let's do print string hello. And I won't let you. Yeah, so like this is like the basic argument. This is just like the print, like the print from Python. Print string hello. Simple as that. It's the simplest thing you can actually do. Let's go for arrays. Um, Arrays are actually really simple. They're just like they're like different to other programming languages. So Let's start with a simple array. Let array equal. I'm not wrong. I think they use this. I'm actually learning also Ocaml, so I'm not really sure about this one. And string array. I know. Yeah. I think I've got here from another REPL that I've got here from another REPL. So yeah, that's an array. Yep, so this is an array. You use these string things and then you put these. So yeah. So let's analyze this. So we first define like the array. So this is a code I had from another REPL. So you first define the array with the argument let. And just as Python, you use these things, but now you add these like sticks. And for every argument, instead of using a comma, use a semicolon. So very simple actually. You can use braces, yeah. So as he's saying, he's another rep. So as he's saying, you can also use you can use brackets to set priority. So yeah, you can either use brackets or just literally print the thing. Yeah. So we're gonna go with another thing. So now we're gonna print the array. So got here another REPL, which I did before. Yeah. So this is a basic array. So yeah, remember always, it's just like a Python array, but we've got the semicolons, which they're not actually used. I don't think if semicolons are used in Python. I think there are in sometimes. I actually think there's no argument that needs semicolons. I'm not really sure if someone knows in the chat. And then just as a normal Python array, we use this. I call them like seats, because like they're like something to sit. I don't know why I call them, or just like strange brackets. I don't know why I call them that. And then we use the sticks, and instead of using a comma, we use a semicolon. So yeah. Arrays are normally used for everything. They're very simple and very useful. So yeah, actually really good. We've got more things. You can actually learn so much from Ocaml. There's a lot of things. So yeah, I'm gonna go for more things. Yeah, wait, I'm gonna go for a variable. So let's a equals 1. So that's just a simple variable. So as always, the let argument is used to define. So let a equal 1. Yeah, simple as that. So you just let a equal 1. So you always have to use the let argument, if not it won't work. Just like it's not Python, you use the let. Or just also with this is a variable. So or just also with JavaScript. To define a variable you use var. Simple as that. Yeah. Then we've got I'm gonna go for something new. So I've got here, I'm looking at my docs. I'm gonna go for lists. Well, actually, a list is just like an array. So yeah. So let array 1 equal. Oops. And let's go for 1. Let's go for 2. Let's go for 3, 4. And then we just repeat this process, okay? So yeah. And then let array 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those are lists or just arrays, actually. So yeah, they're actually really simple to use. So there's nothing actually really complicated here on Ocaml. It's actually really fun and easy to use. So yeah, let's go for something more difficult. I'd say. Um, I'm gonna check something. Okay, let's go for loops. Yeah. Oh, I actually committed a mistake on this. So with a variable, so if we have a variable like let x equal 1, we have to do two semicolons. Okay, so remember that for the for x we need two semicolons. If not, it won't actually work. I'm just gonna experiment a little bit. Let's and line x, and it doesn't work. Yeah, I'm just actually string x print, and it doesn't work. I'm actually just experimenting here. So then we're gonna do something fun with Ghostwriter, I think. Yeah, with Ghostwriter. So let's activate Ghostwriter, and let's just see what we can see. Okay, so print. Let's see if we can tell us something. Hello. Maybe he doesn't. Yeah, he doesn't. But yeah. So let's go for something new. Let's go for loops. Loops are actually really fun to come out. So yeah. Um. So let's go for. I've got this loop. So let x equal 10 ref 10. Sorry, 10. I don't know why I picked ref. Oh wait. Let x. I don't want to put it. Let x equals 10. Okay. And in while x is bigger than let's say if someone on the has anyone got like the number choice, I'll just do that. I'll just do if someone has a number choice. Or if not, I'll just do a 5. I'll just do I think if no one has a number choice, I'll just do a 5. Yeah. So that's 5. And we've got let while I do do print and line, do print and line, and hello world, hello world. I committed a mistake here. No space needed. Okay, so my bad. So yeah, don't put a spacer because it's not needed. And then we've got do print end line I x equals, if I'm not wrong, I think it's double point equals um x minus 1. So this is just like going to subtract minus 1 actually, so it's not actually gonna do anything. So yeah, it's not gonna do anything. And I think we use the done argument. Yeah, so if I'm not wrong, that should work. But I've committed a mistake. Boom. That should work. Nope. Yeah, I was correct. We should have used ref. Yep. And I was correct. Yep. Yep, I was correct. I choose that good ref. So yeah, here we have let x equals ref 10 in, and then we start the while loop. So while x is bigger than 5, you have to print hello world. But every time hello world is printed, you're gonna subtract -1 from 10. So when x is now bigger than 5, it's just gonna stop the loop. And let us do like an infinite loop. Well, not actually infinite. It will stop at the moment, but yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Yep. So it'll just stop at a moment. It's not infinite. So yeah. And then we just do let's do just 50, and then we'll just do it immediately because Replit is so fast. Yeah. Nice. Let's go for something more challenging. Um. I've got here my docs, so yeah, I'll just find it here. Let's do, so yeah. I think there's no user input in Ocaml for some reason. That'd be super cool. So yeah, print, let's just like something, print string. So we're gonna do this. So let's imagine we have a user out input. So X is the user input, but I'm not gonna tell user input because I think there's not a user input. So let X and they choose a number and the user chooses 30. Okay? And then we've got, oops. And then we've got our number, which is going to be y, which is 20. Okay? So what we're going to do is this. So we're just going to do a loop, okay? So this is like our final project for this live stream. So it's just like looking to everything we've done on the live stream. So yeah, let me check on my docs. So okay, so we're gonna do let loop equal let loop equal x minus y and wait ref x minus y in while loop is bigger, no, loop is smaller than, no, is bigger than 5. If loop is bigger, no, loop is bigger than 1, do. And here, I think there's, yep, here we press print end line bigger than 1. And then we're gonna do loop equals loop plus 2, no, minus 2 plus 1. And then done. Okay. No, we shouldn't have used ref. That's what I was just thinking. Loop. I'm not gonna use, I'm just gonna use I. Let me check what's happening here. Now I've got here a code from an Ocaml. Let's change values. Let's first analyze it. So let I equal ref. Okay, so when you use ref. Oh, but actually I'm gonna do let set equal x minus y. So So let I equal Z, and while Z is bigger, no, yeah, it's bigger, 20 is bigger than 20, and I'm just gonna plus 1, no, plus 2 minus 1. I, let's see if it ref set I, yeah. Okay, so let's check why this is not working. Let's just do like a simple loop. If we do a simple loop, it works. Ref set Z. Oh, okay, yeah. I think. Let me try. Yeah, but now it doesn't. So, okay, yeah. So I know what my mistake was. I actually didn't put ref. Plus 2 minus 1, yeah. And this just runs infinitely. That's the thing. So yeah, here's like I created the infinite loop. That was the thing I was trying to do. So yeah, so let's I equals ref set, and here I define set. Set is x minus y. And then while I is bigger than 1, you have to do hello world. But let's while I is bigger than 100, and when it's done, print string. Hello, let's experiment a little bit. And yep, so there's no, so I will never equal 100. That's why it's printed the string, well, no, I will never equal 100, okay? So that's why there's no string, I wouldn't be like larger than 100. So that's why we have the string, we have no string hello world. And then when it's done, it just prints hello. So in this case, I'm going to do 10. And it just prints anything, just the hello from that. Let's do 20, maybe. Let's see what happens. Nope. If I is bigger, and let's do 30. That just increase the value actually. 50, but if I put 1000, it just print that. Yeah, it won't print anything. But let's do this 100. And it'll print us, and it'll print, yeah, a lot of lines. Let's see how many lines. So from line 11 to line, so yeah, 81 lines. But it doesn't, oh yeah, and I want my turn out. I want that. And it should have a high at the end, and yes, it does have a high. Yep, so super cool actually. So we're actually running out of time. So let's just do like this, but like really complex. Let x equal, so let a equal 1, and let b equal 76 times a minus 2. Let's see, and then just print the high. Oh, no. No. Oh, no, 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 I was wrong. I didn't do. So x minus I, we have, where is x 10? 10 times a, 10, and 10 minus 76, that's minus 66. So yeah, if minus 66 is larger, and here it prints, let us see, and hello world lines, it prints 102 and 13, 89 lines. Yeah, let's just do this like more complicated. Let C equals C times B times A times X divided by the sum of X plus A. Well, no, actually, I'm gonna divide it by the by let S equal the sum of A plus B plus X times Y. No, plus Y, sorry. S B, and yep, divided by S. And let's see how many they print. In let me sorry. And there's a problem here, and there's a problem here. Yeah, and it is printed a lot of numbers. Let me check if I can. I don't know why it's not letting me, but yeah, it doesn't let me right now. So yeah, we've learned about variables, printing, while loops, arrays, and just like while the loops things like the done, in, do, I, this, which I don't know why it looks like a face. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the live stream. Maybe I will be doing a live stream in some days. I don't know how many, but yeah. Actually, stay tuned in the Discord. So yeah, join the Discord. It's on Replit. So yeah, go on Replit and join the Discord. So yeah, I'll have an event coming soon. So see you on the next one. Bye.